How to justify text in CapCut. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can justify a text in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your CapCut. After you open up your CapCut, simply start a new project, or you can just use a project that's already there. Now what you'll have to do is add a text. So I'll just tap on the text option on the bottom and then tap on add text. After you tap on add text, now you can enter the text. So I'll just paste something here. And after you add a text, what you can do, let me just edit this. And after doing that, I can just adjust this. So I'll tap on apply, make it small, and there you go. Now as you can see, after I have just uploaded this text, you'll see different options here such as fonts, styles, effects, and stuff like that. So head over to styles and there you'll see the size for your text. You will see different fonts, you'll see different brands, you'll see shadow, curve, spacing. Now head over to the spacing option. Under spacing option, you'll find different options there. So here you can see left option, you can see the middle one, you can see the right one, and you can see different versions as well. So there you will find an option for your justification. So here simply select this one right here, this option, to justify your text in CapCut, and doing that will basically be it, and that's how you do it. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.